In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best lasagna pan. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Wilton Nonstick Lasagna. Although at 2 inches deep, it can't hold as many lasagna layers as some of our other picks. This low-priced option is long and wide at 14.5 x 11 inches. It's made of dark and sturdy steel, which has the advantage of heating up more quickly and giving better browning than glass or ceramic. The wide handles make it easy to transfer into and out of the oven, and the easy-to-clean coating, unlike some non-stick surfaces, can even be used with metal utensils, though it's not as durable as enameled cast iron. Another bonus? It's versatile. You can also use it for baking sheet cakes or roasting meats and vegetables. Number 6. USA Pans Bakeware Lasagna. While most lasagna pans typically have a 2 to 2.5 inch depth, this sturdy design from USA Pan measures 13.75 x 10.5 x 3 inches, so you can fit at least another layer or 2 of lasagna in. It is specifically designed to fit 6 lasagna noodles across the bottom, and can hold nearly 2 full 1-pound boxes of lasagna noodles. It's perfect for feeding a hungry crowd, and makes a hearty restaurant-style lasagna with impressive height that looks wonderful on a plate. This pan is made from aluminized steel, giving it excellent heat conduction, so your lasagna will cook evenly. The steel wire-reinforced rim ensures that the pan will not warp in the oven, and the corrugated surface combined with USA Pan's proprietary non-toxic coating means food comes off the pan easily when serving and during cleanup. Number 5. Oven-to-table casserole dish set. A pair of stoneware baking dishes with plenty of vintage-style charm, the oven-to-table casserole dish set is perfect for serving directly from the oven to the table. The set includes a larger 13.5 x 10 x 3 inch pan that's deep enough for multi-layered lasagna, and an 11 x 9 x 2 inch pan that can hold smaller casseroles, side dishes, or a dessert. Made from easy-to-clean and heat-retaining ceramic, it's available in several different rustic chic colors and patterns, some with ruffled edges. As an added bonus, the dishes are both microwave and dishwasher safe, for convenient reheating of leftovers and quick cleanup. Number 4. Chicago Metallic Professional Lasagna. This unique metal pan features 3 separate wells, each 13 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 2.5 inches deep, perfectly sized to fit standard lasagna noodles. It's a great solution for accommodating different tastes or dietary restrictions, trying out several different lasagna recipes at the same time, or even just making sure you get as many crispy edges as possible. The dark metal encourages browning and crisping, and it has a durable non-stick coating for easy release and cleanup. In spite of its novelty, it's not a single-use item. It can also be used for baking meatloaf, loaves of bread, cakes, or quick breads. Plus, it comes with a generous 25-year guarantee. Number 3. Le Creuset Signature Roaster. The French superstar of cast-iron Dutch oven makers also produces this large roaster in the same sturdy yet elegant materials. The non-stick enameled interior makes it easy to get your lasagna out and offers a durable, low-maintenance finish that doesn't require seasoning and won't discolor. Heavy-duty cast iron is good at heat distribution and retention, meaning this great for even cooking and keeping food warm for a long time. It has the disadvantage of being quite heavy, but the loop handles make it easy to grasp and lift, even through thick oven mitts. Number 2. Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron. You might recognize the Creuset brand. They're known for making high-quality, premium enameled cast iron, and this pan is no exception. This enameled cast iron pan comes in a wide variety of colors, so you can pick one that matches your kitchen. You can make a lot of layers in this 3-inch deep dish lasagna pan. The extra length is due to the handles, which are looped for easy gripping. The cast iron construction will heat your lasagna evenly. It will retain heat, even in the handles, long after the product comes out of the oven. This pan is also perfect for making oven-roasted chicken breasts, casseroles, and side dishes. Number 1. Emile Henry Classics Large. This classy, red ceramic lasagna pan from Emile Henry is a high-end product. It can handle just about any lasagna need. Its high-fired burgundy clay is great at diffusing and retaining heat. Your lasagna will cook evenly in the oven and keep your dish hot when you put it on the table. This lasagna dish will handle up to a 520-degree oven, so you don't have to worry about getting it too hot. When you're done cooking, you can put this pan straight into the freezer. Also, there's no need to worry about the temperature change. The ceramic can handle it without cracking. It's also broiler and microwave safe too.